Presenting the Honda Certified Used 2012 Civic EXL with navigation, with the crystal black pearl exterior and a gray interior. Featuring a 4-cylinder engine with 140 horsepower, this 4-door automatic car gets you everywhere you need with great gas mileage, at 39 miles per gallon on the highway and 28 miles per gallon in the city. The Honda Civic has an excellent record of reliability, and with this certified vehicle you will receive the balance of its original 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, as well as an additional 1-year, 12,000-mile non-powertrain warranty. Every Honda certified used vehicle passes a 150-point inspection and reconditioning, so you know you're getting a great deal. And this particular car has less than 22,000 miles on it. It's in great condition. Other key features include an MP3 player, aluminum wheels, keyless entry, heated leather seats, a built-in navigation system, and a sunroof. So come on out to Fisher Honda and test drive this great certified used Civic before it's gone.